Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is March 31st, 2015, and Pepper and I are up here on North Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, running some old motors. This is motor number 4 here for today. This one here is a very nice, very clean, original 1958 Johnson 5.5. So anyway, we'll give you a little show on this one. Did do a quick service to it. New coils, clean adjusted the points, water pump impeller and a ship rod seal. Put a carb kit in it also. Very nice, very quiet running motor. I like it. This thing is exceptionally quiet. Reverse. And back into forward. Okay, that'll do it for this one. We'll get the next one out of the truck. Thank you for watching. Bye.